At Page Outsourcing, we can provide you with a full human capital solution, offering advice and support across the complete hire-to-retire cycle of a professional. Workforce planning. Ensuring effective workforce planning, considering talent analytics, skills gap analysis, talent action plan, and your organisational structure is important in a changing market. Considering your organisation's objectives, have you assessed and mapped out contingency plans to navigate the impacts, the various internal and external factors that can shape your team? Both your temporary and permanent employees need to be considered. If not planned for, you could lose high-profile roles and change the culture of your team. Your permanent workforce is constantly evolving, so consider how does the shape of your team evolve if a high flyer moves roles or leaves the company. Map out contingency plans through effectively managing your talent pipeline. Create a progression table and close skill gaps through hiring or upskilling to future-proof your talent. This can be done through talent analytics, gap analysis, creating a talent action plan, considering your organisational structure. Get in touch with your local Page Outsourcing advisor today to find out more about how we can support your organisation.